Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be looking at some of the realities and challenges you might face on your first nursing placement and how to take care of yourself and survive it. So, without further ado, let's get started. Forget the too posh to wash idea. As a nursing student, personal care is a fundamental skill that you will learn as you progress. Yeah, it might not be as glamorous as those medical dramas show, but it's a crucial part of the job. You'll be handling personal and intimate care for folks who need a hand. Don't worry if you feel inexperienced. Find an experienced practitioner who can show you the ropes, especially the art of changing bed sheets with a person still in the bed. This might be your first time away from home, and homesickness might have a massive impact on your health, but it's temporary. Things will get better. Stressing about acing your placement or fearing messing up, totally normal. Just make sure you talk about it. Share your struggles with a friend, family, or even a healthcare pro. Taking care of your mental health is as important as acing your exams. A word of advice: if you are staying on campus, try to stay with other student nurses, because your experience will vastly be different to the average uni student. It's not just about what you know and do, it's also about how you behave. Being fashionably late to your shifts? Nope. Crossing professional boundaries? Nope. You're not just proving that you know your stuff, you're showing that you can be trusted with someone's life. So be punctual, iron your uniform, and demonstrate that you are someone to invest in. Most places have phone rules. Phones are always a distraction, and if you are constantly on yours, it will give the appearance that you are disengaged. If you need your phone for emergencies or have family stuff, cool, but stick to the rules. Feedback is your friend. Even if it stings a bit, use it as a tool for improvement. You're there to learn, and constructive feedback is a valuable part of the process. Don't take it personally. Take it as an opportunity to get even better. You will have one placement where it's just not your thing, and that can be a good thing because you'll have a better idea of what you would like to do after qualifying. It is very uncommon to be able to change placement areas if you are unhappy. However, if you feel like you are experiencing bullying and harassment on your placement, you must tell the manager or your academic supervisor. Bullying of any kind in the workplace is unacceptable, and the sooner it can be sorted, the better. Nursing placements can be the best of times, and they can be the worst of times, and both experiences are valid. If you take care of yourself, you will sail through. Until next time, it's bye from Ophelia, bye from Loki, and bye from me, the eccentric nurse Cat Dad.